Why does it drop so suddenly?
You look at mom. I think mom is somewhere there. Do you know like the I think that one, the one that keeps on moving, the purple one.
Yeah, purple, because that's what... Oh yeah, it is. Because I remember that...
Okay, seriously?
There, I see, I think. I saw mom. Look.
Oh,
There, wait, no, that's not... Wait, I saw her, I saw them. Whoa.
wait.
There. The pink.
Is it really like this? It should be like this.
I think so. I don't know.
What the? Seriously?
I
I think it's different. It should be the other way around.
Wait, I think they're just getting other people. Oh, why did it do that? Yeah, I think it's meant to be like this.
Seriously? It should be the other way around because.
Well, I'm feeling that I'm gonna become one of those next video ones. You know, like the epic fails? Or, you know, like those tragic death things? I think Maeve's gonna be crying. Probably because...
But it should be in front though.
Oh, that's hot. I think the reason why it's like this is so that it will make you feel more scared.
It should be in front
You know,
because
more adrenaline. Oh.
it should be the other way around. I think.
Also, but don't put your fingers out because there's
I
a
know.
deer. Oh.
You like it, Dai?
Yeah. Whoa. That's high. Oh, that's weird. Do something right? When you go back up, look, you can see up there.
Yeah. What happened to you, Dai? What happened to you, Dai? Are you happy, Anna?
Yeah.
Why you're standing up? Oh, goodness. Oh! Ano, reaction challenge na lang. Ano, reaction challenge lang.
I feel like we're gonna get slingshotted into the air.
Yes, guys.
Or like the wheel's going to break. And then we'll be suspended in the air.
Yes, guys. I thought I'm going to fall. I thought I'm going to fall, my goodness.
There, here's someone. That's the end.
Tama na? Okay. We're done, guys. We're done. Okay.